Hello, Bam Potatoes. I totally almost forgot about the drawing because it's Friday. This is the day I've promoted it. And then I'm thinking about, coming back to school next week and worried about a bunch of stuff and having to get a whole bunch of videos made this weekend. So anyway, here's the drawing. I'm going to start with the yellow jar. I'm going to pull, 3-5 names. Let's see what we got. Kayla, Morgan, Kaylin, and Hayden. We've got 4 names. Okay. Let's go red. All right, let's see what we got. Looks like I've got 5. Jackson Graff, Benno, Jackson Schroeder, Benno, which means I have to draw again, and Nick, and Amber. If any of these won last time, you will be getting a bonus drawing coming up on Monday. Green jar. Oh my gosh. Everybody's going to win out of this stack. Okay, wow, how many is that? Mila, Shannon, Arpy, Chloe, Grace, Trevor, Layla. I think she won last time, so somebody's going to get a bonus drawing. Trevor, he is going back in the jar because he already won just now. Booker, Chloe, she already won just now also. And Coco Chloe again. So I have to draw 3 more names because 3 are going back into the jar. Booker, I already drew him, so I got to draw another name. Ritwick and Andrew. 1 more? Boy, I'm being generous today. Already drew that one. Hey, some people play at office hours. Already drew that one. Some people participate a lot in class, too. Griffin! Okay, so I've reached my quota, and these other names are going back in the jar. I've got red, I've got yellow, and orchestra. I'm going to pull 1 name from orchestra. Ray. Let's go to 8th grade, and then concert band. I've got Lucas and Jake today. Last but not least is concert band. Ladanian, Devanch, Daniel, and Ellie. Okay? So those are the winners for second half of February. Your stuff will be coming in the mail soon. Thanks for watching, and thanks for practicing. And anytime you guys smile in class, thank you for that. Thank you. It's tough to stay positive, especially when everybody has zombie face. So practice smiling, practice practicing, and have a great weekend. Bye.